Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely reversible iris stitch alternative. Really, really pretty, looks lovely from the front and on the back, absolutely gorgeous. And if you love crocheting, then you are in the right place. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future content that's coming out on this channel. To show you how to make this, I will be using a double knitting DK wool, which is a worsted weight 3 with a size 4mm hook, and obviously you will need a darning needle and scissors to carry on your projects. In the description box there you'll find other information that may be useful for yourselves. Please have a look. And also if there's a stitch you want to use later, you can pop it on your watch list so that you can come back to it when you have the materials that you need. Without further ado, let's get into it. So this is a really simple stitch. It is simple 1 row repeat. What we will do is start with a slip knot and chain stitch. I do have a tutorial for this if you need it out on my channel, and I will link it up here on the screen for you. So slip knot. Now this you make in multiples of 3 and then you add 4 at the end. So I'm going to make a very small swatch just so that I can show you what you need to do. So I'm going to make 12 and then add on 4. You obviously make it as long as you want your piece of work to be, and then you can follow along at the pace that you want to. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 chain, and we'll continue to work in multiples of 3. What we'll do is I will meet you when you've got yours as long as you want. Please pause this video and come back when you've got yours as long as you want to. I have finished my 12 chain stitch and added on 4. So to start, we will work into the 5th chain from the hook. We won't count this one on our hook, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we work into the 5th chain on the hook. We're going to work a treble 2 together, which in US terms is a double crochet 2 together. And to do that, we put the yarn over in through that 5th chain from the hook, pull over, pull up that loop, pull over and pull through 2, leaving 2 on the hook. But instead of finishing this, we will go on to the 2nd of our trebles, put it in through there, pulling back through, giving us 4 loops on our hook. Pull through 2 again. Then to finish it, we will pull through all 3 loops on the hook, do a single chain, and we will repeat that again into here, into the same chain stitch. Pull up that loop, you have your 3. That's half of your first treble. We will do a second one. Pull through 2 and then pull through all 3. And that's what forms your iris stitch. We will miss out 2 chains, so 1, 2 and into the 3rd one. And we will repeat what we did in that one. So again, 3 loops. You do half of your treble and start the next one. And pull over, pull through loops 2 and pull through all 3 of those loops that's left. 1 chain and repeat again. And then again into there, pulling up that extra loop, pull through 2 and pull through all 3. And this is what you work the whole way across. If you want to pause the video, you can work up the rest of it, and I will meet you back when we have 2 stitches left. As you should be done all your iris stitches the whole way along your piece of chain. I have done mine and I have 2 stitches left. So we skip the next chain and we work into the last one, and we do a UK treble, which is a US double crochet in through there, but this time we do finish it. 2 chain, 1, 2, and turn our work. From here we're going to work it into the little holes here in between our iris stitch where the chain 1 is. So we will complete those 2 together in these holes right here. And again, pull through 2 and pull through all 3, chain 1 and into the next. We will just be crocheting these stitches into each of these holes made by the chain 1s. Pause the video and I'll meet you at the end. As you build these up, this will become a little bit easier to see. But for this first one, we do need to still do our last treble. Just bring to the top of that chain right there. Pulling the yarn through 2, and pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 2 and repeat. I will do this one more time with yourselves so that you can get the hang of it. Working into that chain 1 space, single chain, and again. Do that the whole way along. I'll meet you at the end again. You will have worked along the whole of your row, and we do need to still do our last treble, and that will be the same for every row from now on. If you need to, you can watch how to make these stitches as often as you need to, but it is a very nice, easy stitch, very effective looking, looks really nice. Repeat every row that you have until you come to as long as you need it. Thank you for joining me and keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.